For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
The Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men is a premium barber clipper and trimmer set designed for precision, efficiency, and durability. Tested in top barbershops worldwide, this hair cutting kit delivers professional-grade results whether you're a seasoned barber or cutting hair at home. It's tested in leading barbershops to ensure they perform at the highest level. Used by professionals for zero-gap cuts, these cordless clippers are now available for anyone looking to achieve salon-quality results. Whether you are shaping a fade, trimming a beard, or outlining crisp edges, this set is built for precision and reliability. 6 premium guards for varying hair lengths. A variable gauge adjustable head for precision cuts. For trimmer guards to refine details. The wireless design ensures complete freedom of movement, making it easier to handle intricate cuts and fades. The ergonomic cross-edge handle provides a secure grip, preventing slippage and reducing hand fatigue, even after extended use. With this level of control, shaping and outlining hairstyles has never been easier. Whether you're a professional barber or the go-to person for family haircuts, the Novah Hair Clipper set is designed for comfort and efficiency. The LED display provides real-time information on power levels and speed settings, ensuring you're always in control. The user-friendly interface allows for easy adjustments, helping you achieve the perfect look with minimal effort. Powerful battery and turbo speed options. The Novah hair clippers are built for endurance with an all-metal unibody construction that provides a premium feel and durability. The lithium fast-charge battery ensures extended use, making it suitable for all-day work without frequent recharging. The Turbo 2 speed option offers an extra power boost when tackling thick or coarse hair, ensuring seamless cutting performance every time. Trusted by professionals in barbershops worldwide. Adjustable precision settings for various hairstyles. Ergonomic grip and LED display for ease of use. Long-lasting battery with quick recharge capability. The Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men is a top choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, professional-grade haircutting experience. Whether you are a professional barber or cutting hair at home, this kit provides the tools needed to achieve a clean, precise, and stylish look every time.